Tea tree oil is a natural antibiotic, antiviral, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic oil extracted from the leaves of the Australian tea tree. It can prevent and fight with bacteria and microbial growth that causes acne. Before you begin to use it, let us take a scientific look at how tea tree oil treats and prevents acne. Then we will focus on how to use it and how much to use it. So, watch the video till the end to get a complete picture. Acne is a chronic inflammatory skin disease. Your immune system reacts to inflammation to create inflamed, pink-red acne spots. It is a condition of your hair follicles and oil glands. Your skin oversecretes the oil called sebum and your skin is not able to normally exfoliate as it should. So, the dead skin accumulates in the pores. The bacteria that thrives on dead skin grows and releases proteins that your immune system reacts to. You see that reaction in the form of pimple, zit or acne, whatever you prefer to call it. Tea tree oil can fight acne-causing bacteria as efficiently as some its chemical counterparts widely prescribed by dermatologists. A study published in 1990 found that a dilution of tea tree oil worked as well as 5% benzoyl peroxide in controlling the symptoms of acne. Tea tree oil is also effective in speeding your skin's healing process. Have you ever been trapped in a cycle of acne spots which only seems to heal as the next ones crop up? Now, let's focus on how to use tea tree oil for maximum impact on acne. Concentrated tea tree oil can irritate your sensitive skin, so you need to dilute it and use it for your acne. Dilute tea tree oil by adding 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil in half a glass of distilled water. Wash your face with this diluted tea tree oil solution and wipe it dry with a cotton pad. Then add 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil and half teaspoon of coconut oil and mix it well. Apply on the back of your hand to do a patch test. If your hand skin is comfortable, then apply with a Q-tip on each acne pimple. You can increase the concentration of tea tree oil in the coconut oil to find the right mix for your skin. Sensitivity of every skin is different, so there are no exact guidelines. Starting with a 3 to 5 drops is generally safe. It is a slow action treatment, so you need to decide your own frequencies and arrive at an optimum level. Start with applying twice daily and increase or reduce as required after a few days. Tea tree oil is also photosensitive, so make sure to avoid direct sunlight or only use at night time. Most of the time, the sun exposure can result in sunspots, blisters, rashes, or even burns. So, play it safe by using it when you are indoors or just use it at night. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.